In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name of a YouTube music playlist. This is a straightforward process that can help you keep your playlists organized and reflective of your current music taste. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube Music app on your device. You will see a familiar interface with vibrant album covers and playlists. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for all the changes you want to make. Look for the app icon, which usually features a red background with a white play button. Once you tap on the icon, the app will load, showing you your home screen filled with music recommendations and playlists. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will help streamline the following steps. Next, tap on the library icon located at the bottom of the screen. The library icon usually looks like a stack of books or a musical note depending on updates. This section is where all your saved playlists, songs, and albums are stored. By navigating here, you are ensuring that you have access to all your personal music collections. It's essential to locate the library because this is where you will find the playlist you want to rename. Once you tap on it, you will see different sections, including playlists, songs, and albums. Now, select Playlists and tap on the playlist you want to change. This action directs you to a list of your created playlists, which might include various themes or genres. Scroll through the playlists until you find the one you wish to rename. Tapping on the specific playlist will bring you to its details page. This is an important moment because it allows you to see all the songs included and gives you a chance to reflect on whether the current name fits the content. After that, tap the edit icon, which resembles a pencil, near the top of the screen. This icon is typically easy to spot and signifies that you are entering an editing mode. By tapping this, you'll unlock the ability to make changes to your playlist's title and possibly its description. This step is vital because it indicates you're ready to modify your playlist's name to something more fitting. Once you have tapped the icon, the current title will become editable, allowing you to proceed with the next step. Now delete the old title, type your new playlist name, and tap Done or Save in the top right corner. This is where the magic happens. Carefully erase the old name and type in the new one, ensuring it reflects your current mood or theme. This step is important because a well-chosen title can enhance the listening experience for you and anyone you share the playlist with. Once you finish typing, look for the Done or Save button at the top right of the screen and tap it. This action will finalize your changes. You should see a confirmation message reassuring you that your playlist has been successfully renamed. By following these steps, you have now successfully changed the name of your YouTube music playlist. Keeping your playlist updated is a great way to enjoy your music more and share it with others. Remember, a well-organized playlist not only enhances your listening experience but also makes it easier for friends to enjoy your curated music selections. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find joy in your renamed playlist.